Hey, hello, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. Today I'm going to do a third look using the Gourmande Girls Summerween palette. This is what it looks like. If you're interested in seeing the look that I create, then stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. So I already have the Milani eyeshadow primer on my eyelids, and now I'm going to go in with the shade Half-a-Ween, this gray color right here, and I'm going to use a Profusion blending brush. I'm gonna go in the crease. I'm really loving this palette. Like, I like the colors, the shimmers. This is what I got going on the crease. Now above the crease, I'm gonna blend the shade Scrimsicle, this color right here, and I'm just using a random brush that I got from Amazon. It looks like this. Now I'm gonna take a fluffy tapered blending brush. This is the E40 one, and I'm just gonna go and blend that color. So this is what I got going on. Now I'm gonna go in with a random BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm gonna take the shade Batwing, this color right here, and I'm gonna apply it in the outer corner and a little bit in the crease. It's blending nicely and it doesn't look patchy. I really like that. Now I'm gonna go in with my NYX glitter glue primer, and I'm gonna apply that on the eyelids. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Shifter. Yes, Shade Shifter, this one right here. I'm gonna do that in the middle, and then I'm gonna go in with a lighter shimmer in the inner portion of the eyelid. That's so pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Radial Static, this one right here, and I'm gonna put that in the inner portion of the eyelid. These shimmers are so impactful. Look at that. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I can't get over the fact that these shimmers are like super impactful. They're just stunning. All right, I'm gonna go off of camera and I'm gonna do the complexion, and then I'll come back so we can do the lower lash line and the inner corner highlight. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna take the shade Screamsicle, this one right here, and I'm just taking like a pencil brush from, I think it's BH Cosmetics. We're gonna build up the pigment. Now for inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go in with Golden Hour, this one right here. I'm gonna use my pinky. It's this shade right there. Oh, look at that. That is stunning. What do you guys think? So pretty. What do you guys think? Oh, for lashes, I have the Ardell Wispies in 113. Oh, so pretty. So this is the look. What do you guys think? Let me know down below if you like it, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Adios. Bye.